Do you get what you plan for all the time? How well are you at achieving what you want? A very good day to you. I am Jason. Today, I'm going to share 3 things with you on how you can achieve your goals effectively and make your life better. Often we set our goals, but we fail to achieve them on time, or we don't achieve them at all. Why is that so? The number one reason is that we forget about them. So funny, but it is true. So the first thing to do to achieve our goals is to write them down. Write them down clearly. Be specific. What do you see yourself become when that goals are achieved? How will you behave? How will you talk? How will you present yourself? What will you be doing then? Who are the people that you will be around with? Where will you appear? And when will it happen? Know exactly what you want, when you want it. The more specific you are, the higher the chances you will achieve it. Number 2, be realistic. Know yourself. What is your competency? What are the things that you can control? And what are the things that you should start doing? Focus on the things you can do consistently. Simple things like waking up early so you can have more time to complete the task. Number 2, perhaps start exercising so you have more energy to complete the task. And number 3, go to sleep early so you can have the energy to do it all over again the next day, only better. What are the things you need to stop doing? Stop complaining and focus on your desired outcome. Stop making excuses and find the alternative solution. And the last one, stop procrastinating. Once the plan is out, just do it. Number 3, there is nothing new under the sun. Whatever you want to achieve, there are people who are out there, who has been there and done that. Go and learn from them. With so much information available at lightning pace nowadays, there are literally no excuse for you not to know what to do. Now go and find something to achieve before the year ends. Some goals in that list that you have missed out. Write them down, achieve them, and make people around you happy and make your life better. 3 things to do. So write your goals down clearly and specifically. Number 2, know yourself, know your competency, your strength and your weaknesses. And number 3, go and look for people who can help you to achieve your goals effectively. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos. You may even like, share and follow our Facebook page for live sessions. Thank you and see you again.